Hey Sergey, it's Brendan. Yeah, I have somebody looking for a property with a shop.
Yeah, I got something with the shop.
No, not just any shop. Like something that's got room to work, store their stuff, and even park an RV.
I definitely have something exactly like that.
You do? Well, but here's the other thing. They need privacy in a big lot.
You bet. Welcome to 3006 Orchard Drive in Keremeos. Opportunities like this don't show up often on the marketplace. We have an absolutely phenomenal size workshop for those people who are looking for that property. This structure, 30 by 50 long, is absolutely fantastic opportunity if you want to store your collector's cars or perhaps an RV or maybe a rocket launcher. This is impressive. 14-foot ceilings, absolutely great opportunity to put a car lift for those car enthusiasts. A woodworking shop, it's gonna be amazing. I'll take you on the inside of this meticulously cared for home just in a second, but take a look at this. 1 acre of perfectly maintained landscape, and privacy is amazing. We got tall shrubs on both ways. We got opportunity for gardeners. Your greenhouse for your green thumb, you're gonna love it. All right, let's go explore on the inside. But before we go inside, please remember, it also has a 2-car attached garage besides this magnificent shop in the backyard. From the outside, the street appeal is perfect. And it's also gonna trick you. The home looks tiny, however, there's 3,000 square feet between 2 floors. On the main floor, you have access to everything, to your spare bedrooms, main bathrooms, and seamless transition from the outside to the inside. However, additional 1,500 square feet is in the basement. This is where you're gonna let your creative imagination flow free. 1,500 square feet in the lower level, you can create gym space, movie room, additional bedrooms, whatever your heart desires. This property has it all, everything that your heart desires, and location is superb. We have K-view mountain views all the way around us, and it's absolutely great location. So guys, my name is Sergey from New House Team. If you need more details, reach out to us. We'll get you that information. And please remember, if you're thinking of listing in the future and you believe you deserve luxury marketing, give us a phone call. We'll set up the meeting. Until next time, this is where you live, love, Keremeos.